state your name. State your position. After having been elected as one of the officers of Samba Zulta in Kuwait, do hereby solemnly pledge to fulfill my duties to the best of my ability, with integrity, sincerity, and commitment as an officer. I shall promise to uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the organization. With this, I ask the help of God Almighty to grant me the grace to strengthen and inspire me to be of further service to my fellow Samba Sultanians in Kuwait and OFW in general. So help me God. Congratulations.